again to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Amy. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so you're notified to my new upload video, and also give me a big thumbs up and comment below section. In today's video, guys, is another mini Chanel beauty unboxing haul video. I finally got all those 2 items I received. I've ordered from them. So first ones is this. I ordered this before I saw this one, and I saw the other box, which is this one over here. And yeah, if I see that one first, I probably have only one box, but I think because they're having a holiday gift set now, because it's almost Christmas, so I'd like to have that one item from Chanel. This is a mini beauty Chanel unboxing or whole video. Actually, this is why, guys, it's wet, so I'm hoping that the item in here is not damaged at all. Finger crossed. Oh my god, I actually saw this item. One of my the actress in the Philippines, so she have this post on her IG, and I saw it, and it's not a good bad price, which is sorry guys, I'm really it's because it's wet and they have this label, and I'm struggled to remove this. So oh, they're all so wet. I hope the item is not damaged. So that is a return slate. I actually wait for the other box, so I can do one time for all those unboxing for this, so I don't have to, you know. So yeah, this is the item that I purchased, and return slate probably. Yeah, so let's see. Bags, and if you always ask in a like a gift wrap, so to give you a really nice one, so this is, I always love the hot stamping of Chanel, but mostly branded had stamping on it. So this is the first box, and let's see. Yeah, that's why I like ordering Chanel website, because they always have give you this like a pouch. It's really convenient for this one, especially when you go anywhere like staycation, because you can put your travel size lotion, shampoo, conditioner, anything. And I picked the freebies of this a men's selection of perfume, because I want to try to my husband for this if he'd like it. And this is the one, I think this is the newest Coco Mademoiselle. I do have one, by the way, is in here. I don't know if it's a similar scent. That's the one I had. Okay, let me try if it smells. I thought they're different. No, this is one is different. Weird. Yeah, they are the same. So I thought there's the same one. It says, oh, I thought I picked the, yeah, it's just the same. Oh well, I have few of this all those freebies from any other brand of perfume. I'm collecting. Sometimes I give it to my family so they can, you know, try it on. So the first one I got from them is this one. I don't know if you can see, guys. Is Le Beige Intense Lip Balm. This is lip balm. They actually have this color. What it looks like. I picked this one because I like a lip balm with a hint of a color to it. This is called number, I forgot, Intense. Yeah, that's the one I picked, guys. Intense. Let's see, let's swatch this. See, it has color to it. This is a lip balm, which one thing I like about it, because it has a color. I don't like sometimes, because sometimes I bring a same with my NARS travel size. I love this one also, but I want to try on Chanel. So that's the first item. Let's see next. Oh, I really love this one. This is called oil control tissues, guys. This one only $35. I saw this too hard, and this is really good. Look at the pouch, it's really cute. It have CC in here. I got this one because it has a, so it comes with this how to use it, like a care book. I don't know if you can see it. It's really nice. One thing it sold me out because it's the front, it's like puffy. It has a mirror, guys. Yeah, it has a mirror of this. See that? It has a mirror. One thing also sold me out for this, it's because it has mirror, and you can also slick, and it's very slim. You can put this one into your bag, and yeah, it's really nice. And that one is the oil control pad. I think this one has a 150. See that, guys? 150. And I will show you what it looks like. And I paid for $35 for the regular mirror. I think it's $42, I think, or $50. I'm not sure. So there you go. Look at that CC everywhere of this bloating pad. For, you know, I do have before a bloating pad like a slick like this also. It's cheaper one. I ran out for that, and this is the found in Chanel. This is perfect gift for your friends, guys. It's very, very nice. I don't know how you can put okay, you just put the slide on the side because it has another pocket in here. There you go, guys. It's so cute. See that? It's just flipping like that, and it comes have the mirror. So the mirror right there. It's so cute. Look at how sleek it is. And it can put on the pocket, one of your pocket of your bag. Even the mini bag will be fit in here. And actually it looks so puffy around here. It's like I have a cushions in it. Yeah, I think they have a cushion. So that's the one. And the next box, let's have the box in here. There you go. I thought the other one, the mirror one, broke because I dropped that. It's a bigger box in here. I just threw everything on the floor, and I'm gonna clean that later. So this is so cute. I always keep their boxes because this is also good for, like, you know, when you put something, all the gifts, so at least you don't have to find a box to put everything. Same thing with the other one. I mentioned this to my gift set Christmas idea, and you guys can have gift, or it has another one again. And the one I picked is the Chance, because I don't have any perfume of Chance, and mascara. This is nice that you have a travel. That's so cute. Look how free for this. I have the other mascara, but that's actually like the white one. That's what it looks like. It's very cute. I don't have to buy in Chanel from Chanel. Anyway, so the main one is this, and Like I said, I mentioned this into my Christmas gift set idea. If you haven't seen that, I will leave that description below, or I put right here. So the name of this one is Matte Match Lip Contour Duo. Yeah, this is so cute. I love the cosmetic pouch, guys. I see online, even in Saks Avenue and Neiman Marcus. I saw it on their website. Okay. This is my first time seeing this pouch. This is the pouch look like. It's so shimmery. Actually, I saw, and when I checked online, it wasn't like this. Guys, you can use this pouch as a clutch, because you can use this. It has this thingy in here to put your what's in a minute strap, to hook the strap right here, both sides. So that's why I picked this one for night out. And beside, they have a name Chanel. It's just too shimmery, and it's a gold hardware. It says Chanel. Actually, it's a rose gold hardware, which is really nice. Oh my god, it's not shimmery, it's like more on matte. Guys, go on and check this one, because maybe this is limited edition. And so that's what it looks like inside. So you know what's inside is, because I mentioned this in the video, that it has a, okay, where is the other one? Look at, guys, they gave me the free Chanel sharpener. Oh, pencil. It is there's 3 in here. I thought there was, they show only 2. So this is the lip liner. That's that one. It's really nice. Sometimes I just put the lip liner by itself. And they have a brush over here, which is plus size to me, because you know it's really nice to buff up your lip while you're doing a pencil liner. And it's number 178 long wear lip pencil Rouge series. Yeah, Rouge series. So this is the full size, and this one, it's $72, and you can use this cosmetic pouch as a clutch and a bag for a night out. Look at that, guys. It's so cute. So let's see the other one. Oh my god, they wrap really pretty well in this. So the other one is this, also full size. I thought this is a mini size because I can't tell the pictures on the website. So this is 818 True Red. Oh, that what it looks like. See, guys, it's very flat. I swatch it for you. Look how true red to that one is. So beautiful color. Oh my god, this is perfect for winter time. I will swatch the other one as well, so you know. Oh my god, the lip liner below right here is so smooth. It's glide easy, and it looks like a matte finish. This one is a shiny finish. The pencil is matte, which is good because sometimes I like matte lipstick. Oh my god, guys, this is all I got for my unboxing, Beauty Chanel unboxing. Look at them, so cute. Oh my god, I will use up this one. I'm hoping that, you know, everything's back to normal. I can bring this one as a clutch. I will look a strap for this on Amazon so I can use it, guys. So there you go. That's it for my unboxing today. So I hope you like it. If you like this kind of content, please consider subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.